So hello and welcome to the Physics Google Classroom. This is the Form 1 Kcse Physics Google Classroom. That is, it covers content for physics, for Form 1 and for Kcse students. My name is Kagwe Munro and I'm one of the physics teachers at Nakuru High School. And I also serve as the head of science department. As you are well aware, every student needs extra academic support outside the main school program. I have therefore created this online class specifically to address Form 1 physics content, as it is outlined in the Kcse physics syllabus. All Form 1 students are welcome to this class, whether they are in my own class, in a different class, or in a totally different school. The content that I will share with you will be in various formats, including text and video, but mainly it will be in video format because this one is a self-paced learning program. In other words, you as a student is free to choose what time you want to take the lesson, and you may opt even to repeat the lesson. Video formats allow you to do that. So I will be sharing with you the following. Number 1, there will be a download for the Form 1 physics syllabus. There is a download link for notes on various Form 1 physics topics as they become available. It won't be a one-time download. It is when they become available, that is when you download them. There will be video lessons on various physics topics. These video lectures are hosted on YouTube. So you'll find that as soon as you click that link for the video lecture, it will take you to YouTube, although you have got the option of playing it in this platform. So it's totally up to you, but it's much clearer when you play the video on YouTube. There will of course be physics tests which will become available from time to time after you have completed a certain topic. There will be PDF versions of the course book and other textbooks. As they become available, I'll be able to avail them to you. And there will be other materials. As they become available to us, I will be able to put them on this platform and you can have them. You can have the downloads. Now, the content in this class will follow the syllabus right from chapter 1, which is Introduction to Physics, to the last topic, which is Cells and Simple Circuits. As a student, you will be free to go to any topic of your choice, but I would recommend that you follow the topics the way that I have arranged them in this class. Reason being, the content in the present topic that you are taking may be dependent on you having understood concepts in some previous topic. So the way I have arranged them is such that one topic, the concepts in one topic leads to another one. So it is important that you study these chapters the way I have arranged them in this class. A student will cover the content at his or her own pace. I've already stated this, and that is the reason why the format of these lectures is mainly in video form, meaning that I have gone through that particular chapter in detail and recorded it down for you. You can be able to replay the video at any point in the video and be able to understand that particular concept. When you replay the video, you get a chance to see where you did not understand. So that is the importance of using videos, because you can be able to take the teacher back and the teacher is able to repeat that which he or she has already said. So the student will cover the content at his or her own pace, unless you are in my class, in which case I will direct you on what to cover or what to do at any given moment. Especially when I want to give you a test, I will direct you on what to cover. So this one is totally up to you. When you join the class, there is some information that we will collect about you. We will want to know, what topics do you have difficulties in? That is one of them. Because it will guide us to know what content to direct to you. Because you may not need content in every topic. Although I guess if you're in Form 1 and you are intending to do your Kcse examination, you might want to learn everything in every topic. But this one again is totally up to you. Now, as soon as you join the class, you will find that there will be need for you to take the lectures. Many times what I've seen students and parents do is that they will enroll their children in certain online classes, but the children don't take the class. So it's as if they are satisfied just by joining the class, and then they don't take any lessons. That way you find that your child will not benefit much from this class, because the aim is for you to join and immediately you start taking the lessons. Although you can take the lessons at your own pace, a time will come where some of this content will be removed from the platform in order to create a space for new content. Because the content you have to learn in 4 years in physics, it is huge, and all of it cannot be accommodated on this particular platform. So we will have to remove some in order to create room for others. That is why after 12 months, we will remove you from this particular class, or at the end of the academic year, irrespective of what time you joined, we are going to remove you from this class and put you in the next class, because you must create a room for other students who are joining in. So it is important that as soon as you join the class, you take advantage of being there. You learn everything, knowing that there is a time that you will be expected to move over to the next class. I hope I've made that point quite clear. But you can always request to remain in a particular class, especially if you are in a higher class and there's some content that you did not understand in a lower class. You can request to remain in that particular class for a certain duration. Again, that duration is limited. So I'm availing this particular class to all parents or students out there. If you are a student in my class, the link to join this particular class will be in the parents' WhatsApp group. If you are not in my class, the link, if you're in my class, you will probably find that I've sent the link to your email, to your parents' email. So if you click that link, you join the class directly. But if you are not in my class, you will find the joining link in the parents' WhatsApp group for your particular class. If you're in a different school altogether, you will find the link in the video description. There'll be a link there. Probably that link will take you to a form where we will collect the details about you. What are these details and what are they meant? How are we going to use these details? Number one, we are going to use these details to know what particular content to direct to you. Because like we said, you may not need everything in this platform. If you need content in a particular topic, then from what you have filled in there, we will know that this is the particular content that we are going to direct to you. Number 2, the details that we collect about you, especially the contact details, will allow us to give you a test or an exam. After you have covered a particular topic, it's only important that you take an exam or a test just to find out how well you have covered this material. So that is how we are going to use these contact details. So if you are interested in this particular program, go to the link that is appropriate to you. If you're in my class, go to your email. You'll find a link there. Click on it and your child will directly be in that particular class. If you're not in my class, go to your parents' WhatsApp group and join from there. And if you're in a different school, of course, there is a link in the video description. So I hope to see you right in the class. I hope to see your child right in the class once you join that particular class. Goodbye.